How to fix Snapchat not sending its snaps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar and type Snapchat. Then tap on search. Now tap on Snapchat. Now simply tap on update if any update is available. Now after updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Then scroll down and click on apps. Now go to app management and find Snapchat. Then tap on Snapchat, click on force stop and go to storage uses. Then tap on clear data. Then tap on delete. Now simply go back. Also check your internet connection. Now restart Snapchat. I hope this would fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.